There are different types of assessments and assignments in Schoology. So I want to show you a few different assignments and how you would respond. This assignment is a Schoology assignment. So it gives you the description and the directions, and then to answer, you click Submit Assignment. You have the option to upload a file. So this could be a place where you upload a picture or a document that you made somewhere else or that you got from somewhere else, anything that you need to upload to add to your assignment. This spot allows you to click to add an audio or video recording, which you could make. Then if you want to, if it's something where you're supposed to write a paragraph, which this assignment was, you'd click Create and you'd type your paragraph right here. You also have the option to click Resources and then Apps. And once you've connected your Google Drive, which it would set you to connect, if you had created your document in Google, you could click it and you'd choose Import and Import File, which would add the file to your assignment. With this one, I don't have to click Submit. If I had done Create, I would have had to hit Submit to make sure it went in. Or if I did Upload, once I chose the thing, I would have to hit Submit to make it sure it goes in. So now I have an assignment submitted and I can see my assignment right there. I do have the ability to resubmit an assignment if for some reason I needed to. The next type of assignment would be one that is attached to your Google Drive. So this example is attached to Google Drive. And you can tell that it is that type as soon as it opens because it gives you this page instead. So here you get a description and you get the directions. And then when you want to get to your document, you click My Document. If you have connected your Google Drive correctly, it should pop right up right here. Sometimes you'll have issues, in which case you can click Edit and open it another page, but then make sure you come back to this page to click Submit Assignment after you make the changes. Also, if you're continuing to have problems, you can click here for assistance. Here in this particular document, it's really small and hard to see. So I might go to this magnifying glass and choose that I'd like it to be 100%. And then I would click on the clicker button so that I could write on here. So here in this one, they've given me a worksheet and they've given me text boxes to write the answers in. This one is 1305 and this one is 1201. And once I've done all of my answers, I can submit the assignment and say, yes, submit. And then I can say done. And here you can say that, here you can see that it has been submitted. If it was not past the due date and I realized I had forgotten something, I could hit, and it hadn't been graded yet, I could hit unsubmit and make changes, but this apparently was past the due date. So back to Monday, and this type of assignment here, which is where it tells you to go somewhere else to do the assignment. So here it says, click on this link to take your quiz, takes you out to Google Form. You go ahead and you do your quiz, you say 4, you say submit, and you do your quiz. And then you come back in here. If there is a button for assignment, you can then click the button, click create, type done, so your teacher knows that you did it, and hit submit. That way your teacher would know that you had gone to the Google form and done it. If there is not a submit button, then your teacher remembered that they wanted to take that off, which would be the correct way to make this assignment, I think. And then you wouldn't have to click anything to say that it was there. One more type, and that is the assessments. These are assessments made inside of Schoology. If you click on it, we'll start with this page here, and you get, it tells you how many attempts you get and what the grade possible is, and you choose Start Attempt. And you will answer the question. So this one is 12, and I say next, and this one is true, and I say review. And then I say finish, and it will ask if I'm wanting to submit it, and I say yes. And since this one's going to be automatically graded, I should have a grade popping up in my gradebook fairly soon. You see that it has been graded, or it has been submitted. That should do it for assignment types.